Okay, so it's time to unbox the Seidio cases I finally from the Passport. And I'm gonna start by making sure I'm in the frame. Over here, cut into this. See that. Now I'll get this side. Oh, I'm seeing a lot of packages in here. Wait, see some text. Manufactured with pride by Luke Ngayan. That sounds Vietnamese. Okay, so this is the first. I'm assuming this is probably the holster, and then the cases are going to be underneath. Okay. Let me just get this box out of the way. I'll just throw everything in frame. Okay, there's a packing slip. It's a good thing I didn't shove it in the frame because there's some personal information on it. Okay, I'll put that off to the side and I'll look at that when I'm done. For now, let's just take a look at these because these are the primary reason why I'm making this video. You want to see what they look like. If I had to size them up, actually I can't tell what's what. I'm almost saying that these two are probably going to be the body, and then these two will be like the holster. Let's open them up. Oh no, I was wrong. Actually, the longer ones were the holster, and then the shorter ones looks like were the body. Like the casing, actually, the case. You're just talking and I don't know what they are, and I do just wrong terminology. So this is that. You can see that Seidio. So let me just turn up this light so we can get rid of that glare. I don't know if we're able to see the Seidio though. Oh, let me stand up. No, I cannot see it, so you probably won't be able to either. But it looks like that. And now we want to take a look at the cases. So because I have this one out, I will just keep him there. Say hello, protective beauty. So we can't see anything. Now we can. Ooh, this red one looks so nice. Look at that. Surface for use with passports. This is a regular passport, of course, because the silver edition and the AT&T edition, they will not be able to fit in this because the AT&T one has rounded corners, and then for the silver edition, I don't know what to say, but it's something else. It's just something. Like I think like its top corners are rounded, or maybe the bottom, or both. I don't know what's up with it. It also has like the camera range in a certain way that would just make it incompatible. Get that out. Get the focusing circle. Okay, it tells you how to assemble your Surface case. You can pause and read. Let's see if we can get rid of the glare. Makes it pretty dark, but hey, at least you can see it now. Open it up. Put it off to the side. Turn the light back on. Actually, I'm not sure if I know how to pull this off. I don't think I do. Oh, it just clips off like that. What do you know? So dusty. Alright, let's grab the passport because you obviously want to see this fit in. Really, Mr. Passport, didn't tell you to power off. What are you doing? Okay, there we go. Actually, I think it does that by default because that's the way it is. So, okay. Squeeze him in. And then you just clip this on. If I'm doing things right, I hope I am. Okay, yeah, there we go. Something didn't sound too good. Okay, if I fail too much, okay, there we go. There we go. We got this. We got it. Wow, so beautiful, isn't it? Probably not too beautiful because of the glare, but I'm digging that red though. It looks so nice. Stand up. Let's see what I'm doing here. It looks like that. And then without the bright lights, this is what it looks like. I'm seeing a whole lot of noise with the lights off, so I'm gonna turn the lights right back on and we're gonna take a look at the golden case. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on. Hold on a second. Let me type something a little bit cooler, because right now I have just you and I on the screen and it looks very, very lame. Camera focus on the screen. You're gonna focus camera or what? Okay, there we go. Now it's on the screen. Let's just type Seidio. Yes, I know it has nothing to do with unboxing, but you know what? It kind of does at the same time, so it was highly necessary for me to do that. Yes, it was highly necessary. And this one would be the gold. So this is what the gold looks like. I don't think I'm going to put it in the passport because that's not really necessary. I pretty much just got this in as a secondary case. Oh, made in China. Nothing unusual. So this is what the gold looks like. Wow. Not the most, it doesn't feel terribly durable, and as you can see there, you can see some of my finger scratches. So it's not really heavy duty by any means. It looks cool and all, but definitely not something that's going to be highly resilient. Still, it's better than nothing, but at the same time, it's definitely not the most sturdy case ever. And that sound didn't sound too good there, so probably read up on how to take it apart better. Let's just on the bottom so we can compare them. I really wanted to get the blue one, but for some reason the blue one was out of stock. Yes, I could get it from Amazon, but at $64, I don't think so, because $64 was, well, actually no, I think for these two combined it came out to like maybe 104 CAD, something like that. And then because I also got these two holsters with them, normally these on their own would cost almost 30, so to get these two and then get these two for $10 each, that was a bargain. So I'm like, you know, it's worth it to get directly from the site versus Amazon, where it would have just been way too much for just one case and one holster. Camera make these guys look better than that. Come on, you're 4K, you shouldn't be doing that, but then again, it's a beta camera app, so. Oh yeah, so I forgot to showcase the holster. You can spin it 180 like that. You can also open up like this. Does it have a clip inside it? I'm not sure. Oh no, it doesn't. So no, it's not a belt clip case, which is disappointing. I was hoping that it would be, especially for this price point. It should, because there are cases that are cheaper that have that belt clip inside, and I'm not sure why this one doesn't. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just give me a second here and I will show you. Okay, so I am back. Remember this case I ordered from Amazon from Turtle Armor? Yeah, this one. So if it had a belt clip inside it, it would have had something like, well, let me take this off so I can access it easier. This. That. You see that clip there? That's what it's missing, and it should have had it, because this case alone I think was, gosh, I don't really know. I think it was like 14 to 16 CAD. This one with the holster combined was almost 30, so it kind of makes you wonder why it doesn't have a clip stand in it. It should for that pricing, but it doesn't. Oh well, it looks really nice, and at least it does come in two pieces, so you can take it apart for, I don't know, I guess easier cleaning or something, but still, it would have been really nice to have that. It's not there at all. But yeah, that's that. And I'll put this guy away. Now, as nice as these Turtle Armor cases look, I can't exactly give them the highest rating due to the fact that if you drop something like, say, alcohol or vinegar on them, the coloring will apparently come off, which sucks if you have a really expensive, nice design. Well, they're not terribly expensive in the first place. But still, if that's an issue, then don't buy them. But if you do not care about that, then by all means, go right ahead. Turtle Armor from Amazon. Drop some links to this case, and of course I'll drop links to these two below. And that does it for this video. Happy 2019 New Year! Did you like this video? Do you own a Seidio case? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, shop through my affiliate links in the video description, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner inside the eye circle. Why the creepy, sad, strange outro music? I don't know. I found myself asking the same damn thing when I put this composition onto this video. And now I am out.